Hello everyone, welcome to Perseverance IAS. Today is August 30, 2021. Hope you are all doing well and staying safe. A bit of announcement, please do follow our page on Instagram at Funny Dheeraj to get all the information in regards to the future courses that we are launching and also daily current affairs and important explanations on issues. Now onward, the first article that you have to read is as Biden wants for more attacks, US destroys car bomb in Kabul. Just informative, read what is going on, not important for exam. Moving on to the next article, Niti Aayog bats for tax breaks to achieve monetization goal. First important article for today. Learn what tax breaks they are talking about, why the infrastructure investment trusts are needed to be brought under insolvency bankruptcy code, why giving tax breaks and bringing these things under IBC will make investors interested in this national monetization pipeline. Please do read possible prelims, possible mains question. Don't give chance. Now, moving on to the next article, oil palm plan is a recipe for disaster. Now, this article talks about the recent government's push to become self-reliant in palm oil. So, from that perspective, please do read this article. This talks about two things. One, the environmental risks. From the environmentalist point of view, they make 3-4 good points. The second thing is the government's reply, because they are saying that whatever the plan that we have right now doesn't involve cutting down forests. Whatever we are trying to do is already been cleared. So from that perspective, it gives you a good balance as to what the environmental worry is and what the government plan is. So you should arrive at a balanced answer. That's why this article is important. Now moving on to next article. Page number 6, editorial. The Afghan theater and judging India's response. Exam point of view, not important. Informative, yes. Read it to understand why India is taking the stand it is taking. Now moving on. A fine line. Important article. Given the recent government's decision to go ahead with constructing 7 to 8 hydroelectric power projects in Himalayan region and also the opposition to it because of the environmental concerns on the backdrop of recent spate of environmental disasters that have took place or taken place in that region, gives you an answer as to what should be the fine line both the construction companies should and the government should follow when they are carrying out these infrastructure projects, and also what kind of a balance do these parties or entities must ensure so that the environment doesn't get damaged and as a result of it large scale destruction and loss of life takes place. Good balanced article, read it. Seize this opportunity to institutionalize accountability. The first thing, just read it. I don't see much importance from exam point of view. If you want to skip it, you can skip it. Rape and insensitivity. This is again regards to violence against women. How such actions and as a result of it, the answer doesn't lie in curtails of rights or freedoms of women. So please read it from that perspective. Just aware, be aware, not important for exam or nothing like that. So moving on to op-ed towards a more humane police force. Again, this is in line of articles that I have been covering in regards to how the Indian police should act or should be. What are the reforms that Indian police need so that they are future ready. Moving on to page number 8, that is news. Youth breaking the mold and embracing startup culture, Prime Minister. This is significant to understand how startup culture has been transformative in recent times, where we are seeing a lot of unicorns taking place. So learn a little bit about what startup culture is, what startups are, what are unicorn companies, so that you are aware when a prelims question is asked. Now moving on, India-Russia to expand Central Asia ties, envoy. Important. This article talks about three things. One is the bilateral logistics agreement. What is the name of it? Second is Navy to Navy memorandum of understanding. Third, bilateral, trilateral and multilateral military exercises with Russia and other countries in Central Asian region. From that point of view, read this article to understand how India is progressing with other countries in terms of their relationship with us, and also on the backdrop of a recent crisis in Afghanistan. Now moving on, extend IBC provisions to invites experts. This is what I was talking about in the first page article, what Niti Aayog was also saying the same thing. Link this article with the first page article, you'll understand what Niti Aayog is saying and you'll have a better understanding of the issue. Now moving on to the next, India silent on Taliban overture. This article gives you an idea as to why Taliban is speaking nicely to India and why India needs to make good with Taliban. Very nuanced article, read it, you will understand what they say. Now, US will focus more on China now. This is again, read this in the context of recent developments and Indo-US relations and Indo-China relations and US-China relations. From that backdrop, a little bit important, just to learn what is going on and why this focus shift will take place. Now moving on to the next page, that is world, China to require foreign vessels to report in territorial waters. First, learn what territorial waters are. Second, if you don't know what Chinese claims over the South China Sea are, learn about it. Then read this article, you will understand what they are talking about. Now, Hurricane Ida strikes US. This is again just informative, don't worry about it. Read what the name is, where it is, so that if you know, you can link this to climate change and some sort of another issue. Apart from that, not important. Now, these are the important articles that you have to read in the Hindu newspaper for competitive exams. Second thing is, please do follow my Instagram page at FunnyDheeraj. The link will be in the description. And please do join to get all the updates and very informative videos that we are doing right now. And from tomorrow, I am doing editorial analysis. I am going to pick one editorial from Hindu or Indian Express, the most important one for the day, and we are going to discuss. From today, sorry, not from tomorrow, from today we are going to make editorial videos. We are going to pick one important editorial from both of those newspapers, or if there are multiple important editorials, we are also going to pick those and we are going to explain those to you. Please do subscribe to the channel, please do share, please do like, please do let me know your feedback through commenting. Thank you, stay safe, namaste.